The Nokia N91. I call this phone a cinder block. Bakit? Kasi kung i-compare ito sa ibang state-of-the-art mobile phones ngayon, it is downright clunky. Measuring 113.1 by 55.2 by 22 mm and weighing 164 grams, ang slider phone na ito ay mahaba, malapad, makapal at mabigat. Idagdag pa natin ang housing nagpe-flare out even wider sa taas at ang control panel na nagsaslide down even longer sa baba. Ayan, may handset ka na hindi pwedeng ma-overlook sa bulsa o sa purse mo. Ang harap ng N91 ay may 1.3 by 1.6 inch display screen. Sa ibabaw nito ay may maliit na speaker grill at sa ibaba naman ay controls. 4 buttons and a joystick. Beneath the controls is a sliding panel with a 5-key music control pad on its surface. Sliding this panel down reveals a rather small 14-button dialing keypad. Malamang na pwedeng maging inconvenient ang paggamit nito sa ilang users na may malalaking daliri. The side panel features the volume rocker switch and mini USB port on the left side, and the menu and battery release button on the right side. On the back of the phone sits the 2-megapixel camera sensor. It is the sole visible feature here. The bottom portion, when taken off, reveals the battery and SIM card slot. Surprising dahil standard USB port ang ginagamit para sa connectivity nito. At surprising pa din dahil walang dedicated camera button ng N91. This only proves that the N91 is a music player first before a camera phone. A single button on the top panel of the N91 controls power and profiles and sits adjacent to a lock switch and a dual headphone or remote control jack. 3.5mm ang size nito kaya compatible ito sa kahit anong standard headphones. The included inline remote plugs into both jacks and replicates the front panel music controls pati na rin sa 3.55mm headphone port. Kasama din dito ang 3.5mm audio jack na pwede mo i-connect sa kahit anong speaker. Sa bottom part ng handset ay may isang port para sa AC adapter at charger. The N91's housing is made largely of steel parts that gives a solid feel to its users. Perhaps the steel parts would be more appropriate on a more sexier and sleeker designed handset. Undoubtedly, the phone has a well-constructed air to it, but its overall bulky and oddly flared shape render it ganglier than sexy overall. Ang main point kung bakit pinalaki ang memory ng N91 to 8GB ay para sa better music experience. When it comes to music and sound performance, 2 thumbs up talaga ang N91. Kung sound trip din lang ang drama mo, may enjoy mo talaga ito. At kahit sa open air ka magpatugtog, malakas pa din ang sound tulad nito. Mababasa sa review ang iba pang capabilities ng N91.